You are welcome. I went back to my channel, and this video, I will introduce you. I'll give you a software. You can have a Facebook account, large quantity. Here is my software. This software will help, so you can manage, get a lot of these Facebook account, so that you can work. Here we can install it. The features, it's sort of like an automated interaction on the news, interactive story, interactive video, interact with real. In addition, there will be interactions with friends, and the ones that specify the ID. Specify UID group page. These are the scripts that you can create. Here I've already created a script in here, and I will run for you to see the software, how to maintain an account. After saving the script, to run the feature for all accounts, I will choose the running accounts. I'll run the accounts here. Oh, my Facebook accounts. And I've increased the number of streams to 12. Then the software will run and get the information of the accounts. I just need to choose a running account. Then click Start. And let's keep an eye on how the account runs. This will help you to be able to increased interaction, as well as access to your potential customers, to post to groups, comments to groups, or you can text your friends automatically. It's all on this one software. And you can use it to make marketing, as well as business, our products. Thank you for watching all the videos. If there is information, if need be, what advice please, direct messaging via WhatsApp. Thank you.
Na festa do fim de semana, só rolê bom. Ela chega e desencana com passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Passo bem solto. Na festa do fim de semana, vai me parar. 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 Vai me parar.
Enquanto parede, enquanto parede, enquanto parede, enquanto parede.